the community's needs. But the other thing I heard that I didn't really hear in my previous work on this is that concept of fearlessness and being willing to try new things, to think outside the box, to bring things to your staff or your colleagues that maybe they've never thought of before through communication with a much broader group of colleagues that we found in this room today, and I'm sure throughout the remainder of the conference. We are just like 1 or 2 minutes over, so I think we did an excellent job of staying on track. I want to thank the participants for all of your wonderful comments and your perspectives for our panelists. I am sure they will take that back to their work. I'm going to suggest that we use the web page for this session for anyone that has an insight that they'd like to share that didn't come up or wasn't brought to the surface that they think of later. Please post that in the comments on the session page as we move through the rest of the conference. And I'll also ask our panelists to use that same page to come back in a few months' time and share back with this group, those of us who are interested, any progress on their projects, and specifically where the things that they heard from this group really had an influence or an impact on the progression of their work. Anything else before we close the session today that anyone would like to say? Yes.
Well, we just want to say thank you, Christy, for doing this wonderful thing, and we just want to present you with this.
Well,
thank you very much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.